I'm Canon Andrew Braddock. I'm currently the Interim Dean of Gloucester, and it's a great joy to be returning to Norwich to become the 40th Dean of Norwich, and I say that very aware of all the different opportunities and responsibilities that come with that role. Coming back to this role at Norwich it is very special to me because this is the cathedral where I was ordained nearly 25 years ago. This is the diocese and the county where I was formed and shaped in my public ministry, first as a curate over in the Norfolk Broads and then as a vicar at Cringleford and Coney. And in fact, this is the city where my wife and Victoria first met as well and started our family. So for all those different reasons, returning to Norwich feels a bit like coming home, really. I'm going to be installed as the Dean of Norwich at the end of January, on January the 28th, in a special service in the cathedral, and looking forward to getting to know the cathedral community. I'm conscious I've been away for 15 years, and in that time people and places change and evolve. So I'm very much looking forward to listening and learning afresh about the cathedral and its community and the different ways in which it serves the diocese, the city and the county. My hopes for the future of the cathedral are that it will continue to be confident in and draw on its rich Benedictine inheritance as a place of worship and prayer, of service and of learning. I'm looking forward to this continuing to grow and develop as a place where people can draw closer to God and to each other, and then go out inspired to love God and our neighbours in the world. We need in these times to be sharing the love of God in good and creative ways as we face all the challenges that we know about, from the cost of living crisis to the climate crisis. Amongst all that change and uncertainty, Norwich Cathedral is a place that can inspire us, that can console us, that can raise aspirations. So I'm looking forward to playing my part in all of that as this cathedral continues to be a beacon of faith and hope.